Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. This is Carlton Lewis, your Atlanta real estate agent, coming to you live and direct from Smyrna. We're gonna take a look at this 4-bedroom, 3-bath, new construction home that you see me standing in. I'm excited to show it to you, and I would love to get your feedback on this house. So leave a comment below, and if you're feeling this house, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe to this channel and definitely hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time I put out a new video. Now, if you look in the description and you need some help with buying or selling, there are free buyer and seller guides just for you for watching this video, my gift. And without further ado, let's get it started. How'd you like to live in walking distance to Smyrna Market Village? Then you've got to come check out this 4-bedroom, 3-bath traditional home with over 3,700 square feet, located in the Williams Park subdivision. It is conveniently located to the Battery, Truist Park, Fox Creek Golf Course, Belmont Village, Windy Hill Project, and Silver Comet Trail. This house has a traditional design with a second-story master suite, private balcony, and outdoor covered porch. The main level is a spacious open concept that is perfect for entertaining. It features 12-foot ceilings with 8-foot door openings. The master suite, located on the second level, is stunning with 18-foot ceilings, a large walk-in closet, a large bathroom, and a private deck. Own a piece of history with this custom-built, one-of-a-kind home in Smyrna, Georgia. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. All right, we're back. What did you think about this beautiful new construction, 4-bedroom, 3-bath home? Right here, like I said, it's walking distance from Smyrna Market Village, and it is very close to the Battery, great schools, and I want to know what you think about it. Leave a comment below, as always, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Now, if you already haven't subscribed, I said this earlier, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell so you will know the next time I put out a new video. And don't forget to look in the description for your own free buyer and seller guides. If you're thinking of buying and selling a home, this will help you get as prepared as you could possibly get, other than me actually showing up in front of you and doing a consultation. So again, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching the video. I love putting these things out, and by the feedback that I get, it makes me want to continue putting these home tour videos out. Once again, this has been Carlton Lewis. If you are looking to buy and sell in Metro Atlanta, reach out to me and I can give you some help. All right, have a great day. Peace.